there! Have you ever heard of World Children's Day? World Children's Day is a holiday that happens every year to celebrate the important things that children add to the world and how they should be protected, encouraged, and supported in order to have a bright future. Children are creative, playful, thoughtful, and brave. Sometimes when you're a kid, every day can feel like an adventure, exciting or scary. There are so many new things to figure out all the time, and we're learning constantly, even when we might not feel like it. And even though we're young and still learning, our voices deserve to be heard and respected. We're full of ideas. All of us deserve to feel safe, supported, and loved. It's important to remember that not all children live in the same way. Some children struggle to feel safe, supported, and loved. But all children deserve to feel and experience these things. World Children's Day is a great time to talk about how we learn, how we feel best supported by trusted adults, and how we can best support each other. Happy World Children's Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.